Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Your brain doesn't forget because you're bad at studying. It forgets because it thinks the information is useless. Psychologists call this the forgetting curve. And once you understand it, you'll see why hours of studying can disappear overnight. You sit down, you read, you understand, you even feel confident. Then a few days later, it's gone, and you blame your memory. But here's where it gets even worse. Most people stop here, and that's the biggest mistake. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain deletes information on purpose. Memory is expensive. Your brain is like a minimalist. If something doesn't prove its value, it gets thrown out. Your brain asks one quiet question while you study. Will I ever need this again? If the answer feels like probably not, it fades. But here's the part nobody wants to admit. Understanding feels like learning. But psychology says familiarity is not memory. This happens because recognition is passive. You read a page and think, yeah, I get this. Your brain relaxes. But recall is active. That's when the brain struggles. And struggle is the signal that says, keep this. Your mind thinks rereading is safe, but the reality is, safety doesn't build memory. Effort does. If that hit you, good. It means you needed it. Here's the truth you've been avoiding. If studying feels smooth, your brain is not changing. If you want to break this cycle, start with this. After studying, close the book. Ask yourself what you remember. Not perfectly, just honestly. That moment of blankness isn't failure. It's the exact moment learning begins. The perspective shift is simple. You don't forget because you're bad at studying. You forget because your brain is efficient. And once you respect how it works, it starts working with you.